Welcome back, everybody, to another video. Today, we have, honestly, the first type of video like this on the channel. Today, we're going to start up a new series called Stoner Reacts. Today, randomly, IShowSpeed dropped a video. So, let me put the mic on. Boom. IShowSpeed dropped a video today. He dropped a music video. It's called Headshot slash Gas Tank. You feel me? So, welcome to Stoner Reacts, first episode. Let's get into it. Good beat choice.
Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Headshot, 223, bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party, what's a wedding ring? My same haters in the club, we blowing up the scene. It's the same bulls, we turning up, we reppin' for the deep. All my homies play putting up 30s like it's Steph Curry. Shorty said she wanna blow my whistle like a referee. She been tripping, it's been
Little bitch wanna blow my whistle. She likes to referee. Okay.
She said just love me please. I do not like this girl, so please don't put my neck on the leash. If she says she on the same vibe, I say come mess with me. If these people play, we stop her, kicks dirty, no referee. Headshot, 223, she a baddie, rocks a link. Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me.
First off, I'm surprised. This sounds like some shit that will be a radio record. You feel me? The little bot is making me want to do a little jig. I ain't gonna lie.
Headshot, 223, bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party, what's a wedding ring? Tripping up the hill, shawty super cold. I'm a young kid, trapping for the money and the dough. Hit these goofies play, slap his head, slime and wipe his nose.
That gives off some like Trippy Red type vibe right there. A little Trippy Red. Trippy Red is fine.
And then we treat him like a joke. I put the gas in the truck. That started gassing me up. I'm going fast on the run.
Baby speed voice.
Where you from? Where you home? Hey, these people play like it's a Game Boy. Speeding on the gas a 7-Eleven, he a lame boy. Hit him with a dip and make him dance like a B-boy. All up in your man, girl, she said she love a speed boy. Wifey, I keep no hoes. Cause you my shorty and I want you to know that I know that my life is a low. I can't get this feeling off of me.
Alright, so he's kind of snapping, I'm not gonna lie. I like the little beat switch. I like he's doing his little Drake thing, you know, Drake, the one title next song type vibe, you feel me? It's pretty good. I'm not liking this little new flow, the little babyish voice, little high pitched screech voice.
Tripping off the tree, getting closer to my peak. Nah, I can't get this feeling off of me. I've been tripping off the tree.
Speed smokes?
Closer to
Cheers.
my peak. Nah, I put the gas in the truck. That started gassing me.
So I got that big boy.
I'm going fast on the run.
Speed.
Where you from? Where you home? Boy, yeah, we slum. Huh? Big deal like the World Cup. Hey, they be acting like they tough.
I like how he's staying true to himself. He's mentioning things that he really fucks with, obviously, digging into soccer and everything.
I got bread, you upset, feeling blessed. I know that the money got the man. I know how these goofies copy swag. Young killer came up from the farm and I'ma go. People who ain't come from where I'm from like they don't know. Getting bigger, man, like they don't know. Fast kid, rich as hell and you know I'm a scope. How you figure that? Came up from the floor, man, I'm a young hit a gas and out the pump. I'm number one, I'm number one. I'm a young hit a gas and out the pump. I'm number one, I'm number one. Baby,
I like how he's staying true to himself. He's not trying to act like he's hella hard or XYZ. Shout out to Speed. He's really changed the streaming world for real. I think he's the biggest streamer in Kai for real. Kai's big too though. Nope. Shouts out to both of them. They're doing their thing, bro.
Boy, yeah, we slum. Huh? Big deal.
So there was that Speed. I like it for you feel me for it's a YouTuber streamer uh dropping music, chilling, vibing, and it's a good all around. It's a good all around motherfucking. You feel me? It's a good all around song, and I'm not mad at it, bro. He's living life. He's having fun. He's turning up, and it's a good song. Honestly, it has a nice beat, has a nice cadence. His flow is cool. He lost me in the middle, but overall, I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. The beat is like a 9. I'll give the beat a 9. But Speed itself, he's not a lyrical rapper. You feel me? Obviously, I'm not gonna be rating them at that standard. But for some content, on a content on a content standpoint, that was tough. Shout out to Speed. He's doing his thing. Let me know if you guys want more reactions and just little filler videos, little reactions here and there. I love y'all. But like I was saying, guys, shout out to Speed for dropping the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I love y'all. And as always, stay frosty, man.